Ka kertong jong ka National Democratic Alliance kata ka NDA ka Draupadi Murmu kala Shah Jied ban long ka President ka Thymmai jokari India bat kala thau history sundan bakan long ka Riewlum ka ban ningkong ban yu long ka President jokari. Hadin bun benai ke jeng pen kre ban penlong ke election ban Jied Thymmai no yu une ka President jokari India haka khat pratarek unaitung la pendep ke election habarok wekari kumju akani ke jalami khaliaru. Haka jimi ile thap vote daki MLA beki MP hakani ke jala napdeng ki MLA sangut ki baklam wan ban thap vote haka badan napdeng jongki ki badan napdeng ke jingsitam badan pat ki bana ki we pat ki daw kini ki baklam poi thap vote hakani ke singi ki dei armut ki MLA na sengsan perthai National People's Party bakan thop yu James PK sangma namar ba ulale jingle sabar jala bad ba singaw balang dahar ubale yo khubor ba umdan napdeng kamet ka bakoj Arngut pat ki baklampoy siya ka election kidai nakasengsan perthai Trinamool Congress ki bakantup yu Marthon sangma namar ba klan kamet bat uba shit lang pali ubaklampoy tat hadu balakut ke portap vote kata keporsan baji janmiet. Hakani ki election hakani ke sengi ban Jied Thymmai yu une ka President Thymmai jongkari kata ya ke kertong jong ke kenhun NDA belalam kemat akseng BJP ka Draupadi Murmu kabade na kajak bin Riewlum lani ukurtong jong ka kenhun kiliang persya balalam khamat akseng Kongres hadali Uyashwan Sinha la sakhi ke jingwan thap renti jong ki MLA kenthop nadu menteri rangba kejala Konrad ke sangma usembut menteri rangba uba prestun tunsong rangkat ki wedi ki menteri sarkar ulampang ka yen rabar thawan kejala uba met ba lengdo unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma rangkat ki wedi ki MLA jong ka seng Trinamool Congress bat ki MLA jong ki wedi ki seng bat UMP ka Raja Sabha Dr. WR Khaluki haka arpoi tere unaitung ka election commission jong kari India kala penlong ke jing new vote ya ka election president jong kari bat ka kertong jong ka National Democratic Alliance NDA ka Draupadi Murmu ka badairu ka Longkmie Riewlum kala job ek election banlong ka President Thymmai jong kari India haka ni ke jing khun ka Draupadi kala yo sanlak nhiều hajar nhiều spa nhiều po nhiều vốn kat ba Uyashwan Sinha ulai yo arlak ribu hajar ribu arvot.
She being a tribal and as a legislator myself and a tribal as well, it is a proud and very happy moment for me, and I say this on behalf of all the tribal legislators of us, that we are very proud of this, and we thank the Honourable Prime Minister for having chosen Mrs. Murmu to be the presidential candidate this time. I hope she wins, and yes, again, we are very proud of it, and of course, we have a lot of expectations because she being a tribal, and we as tribals have a lot of issues, here and there. So we expect a lot.
We have been suppressed from time to time, especially, people in the mainland, they used to call us, Northeastern State Chinky. So this is not nice at all. And I think once the new president elected in the chair, I think she have to take up this matter. And definitely, I think as a state, I think it's very important. As a people, as a representative of the people, we need to raise this kind of issue, which will help our generation.
Obviously, with that post and being the highest post in the country, obviously there will be a huge impact on the different issues concerning the tribals, is what all of us expect, and we know that it's going to happen. But obviously, saying that everything will disappear is something that we cannot say, we cannot conclude that. But I'm sure that it will have a huge impact on the entire situation and scenario, not just about the different atrocities, but I think overall, let's look at the positive side of it also. That important development issues and concerns that are there for the tribal, I'm sure that will also be addressed, and I'm sure that there will be more importance on the issues of the tribal people of this country.